Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys how I style my curls when I want to wear them out. I'm going to let you guys know the products that I use, what techniques I use in order to really like define my curls and have them looking juicy and moisturized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. We're gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair in 4 sections. Usually I just do it in 2, but I'm gonna do it in 4 just so you guys can really just see how I like define my curls. First step, I'm going to wet my hair. It's already pretty damp, but in order to like style your curls, they have to be, your hair has to be pretty wet. First product that I use is this African Pride. Let me show you guys. This African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and I don't know how to pronounce that word. It starts with a B. Oil. This hydrates and strengthens your hair. It's a leave-in cream, and honestly, I just picked this up randomly at Walmart one day. I think it was only $9. That's why I picked it up, because it's affordable, and curly hair products are so expensive. So this was only $9, and it doesn't leave your hair feeling greasy after it dries, so I really like that. We're gonna use a pretty generous amount, probably more than that, and we're just gonna evenly distribute it into the curls and make sure that you get really in there, because before, when I used to do my hair, I used to literally just only put some on the top layer, and I wouldn't like massage it through all the curls, so the top layer of my hair would always be healthier than the bottom. Like, it would just always look healthier, and you can kind of already tell a difference. Like, it just looks more like moisturized and not really as dry. Usually at this point, I'll just use like a soft brush and kind of just brush the product into my hair and just really like fluff my curls up. And then I'll go like this. And if you see any like pieces that aren't really that curly, or you think it may poof up, I'll just twist it with my fingers. I know some people that like individually like finger coil every curl in their hair, and I'm not that person. I will just finger coil the ones that look like it needs finger coiling, but there's literally no way I can just sit here for hours out of the day to finger coil my hair. So this section looks pretty healthy, and then once I add the African Pride, then I'm going to put this multicultural Miss Jessie's Curls, and this one's definitely expensive. This is super expensive, so I try not to use this as much as I would use the other one, since the other one is more affordable, so I can just buy that whenever. Miss Jessie's is always usually about like $15, so depending on where you get it, but even if you try to get it in bulk at Walmart, it's still hella expensive. So I just used a little bit, like a quarter size, and I'm just gonna evenly distribute that into this section also. And I'm just gonna scrunch my hair up as I'm doing that, just to make sure I'm not like stretching out the curls and making it look like, you know, not curly. That's usually what I do like throughout my whole head. And then sometimes I would add some Eco Gel. How I just added the product, I would just add a little bit of Eco Gel and comb it through, but I really don't have anywhere to go, so I don't want to add any gel products in my hair right now. I'm just gonna moisturize it and let it air dry. We're gonna repeat the same process throughout all 4 sections of my hair. I'm gonna come back and show you guys what my whole hair looks like after I've moisturized and added all the products that I showed you guys I added. So this is what my hair looks like after I've added all the products and did the steps that I showed you guys earlier. And yeah, it looks pretty moisturized. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. I sure can, but it looks pretty moisturized and just healthy, not dry. So usually I let my hair air dry just because my hair dries so fast and my hair is super thick and it grows over time when it dries. So I just like to start it off with it being wet, cute, curly, and then throughout the day as it's air drying, it'll just like, you know, kind of grow into like a cute curly afro. But for the video, I'm going to just diffuse my hair just a little bit to really show you guys that my curly hair process really does work for my hair, but it's not gonna work for everybody's hair. We all have different types of hair and curls. So you're really just gonna have to find your product. I went through about 1 million products just to find this one routine, and I know there's a better routine for my hair, but this one works for me and it's pretty affordable. So I'm gonna go diffuse my hair out a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back to show you guys what my hair looks like when it's semi-dry. So this is my hair semi-diffused. It's still pretty wet, especially like in my root area, but like I said, I don't like to completely diffuse my hair or dry it. I just like it to dry throughout the day. But you can tell a difference from like the beginning to the start. My hair definitely looks more moisturized and shiny. My camera decided that it wanted to run out of space while I was filming my outro, but like I was saying, I don't really like to fully dry my hair. I don't really like to fully diffuse it. I would just rather it air dry throughout the day and just let my hair go with the flow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys can maybe relate to my curly hair routine if we have the same hair types. I'm sorry I don't really know like if I'm like 4B, 4A, 4C. I honestly just don't know. Maybe I'll try and figure out for you guys. So if we do have the same hair type, you guys could use the same routine as me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys take care of your curls, because at first I wasn't, but now that I'm starting to, like, I really like to wear my hair curly and natural now. So yeah, embrace your curls. It's been about an hour since I added the product in and I just diffused it a little bit, and I wanted to come back and show you guys what my hair looks like once I let it air dry for a little bit and just let it take its full course. So this is about an hour after I've done the whole process and it's been drying. So you can tell, like I told you, my hair grows over time, like as it's drying. But yeah, this is what it looks like and this is how I like it. It's gonna of course get bigger, but as you can see, my curls look a little just bit more defined and my hair is just more moisturized, so it's just not like dry curls, it's moisturized curls. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like.